I love these little snack tacos. I'm like low-key addicted to them. Hello YouTube, hello lovelies. You're on the air with Vanity is Fair 1, numero uno. Okay. Good morning to you all. It is Saturday morning. I have an appointment at a dealership. I'm in the market for another Mercedes-Benz. I will be keeping this one. In fact, where I got this one is where I'm going to look at another one today. I just got done eating a taco. I don't have on any makeup, just gloss and Gucci sunnies. But neither here nor there. Car shopping. I am in the market for a C300. Y'all know that's a 4-door. Okay. Let me tell you a little bit about my Mercedes-Benz journey. I've been a Mercedes-Benz girl for, 30 years now? I've been driving Benzes back to back to back to back for 30 years, since like the 90s, early mid-90s. And I drive my cars for a while once I get them. I'm not the type that will change my car every couple of years. I keep it for a while. So I had a 300 CE back in the day, and it was fire AF. In fact, like this one is like a reincarnation of that. But anyway, I had that. The first model of the C300s, I had that one for a short time. Okay. I parted ways with the very first Benz I had, parted ways with that C300, but then I got my ML320, which I still have, my SUV. It's in the garage. I really don't drive it like that. But I got that, and then I had the C300. I'm going ahead of myself. When I parted ways with the C300, I was still in the ML320 for a very long time. Okay, and then I got this car, and like I said, I got this car from the dealership I'm going to this morning. So now I'm in the market for a C300. I really like those because they look like a baby S-Class, and I just think they are so fire, and I think it's the dynamic that I need, you know, because this car is a 2-door. I don't want another coupe. This coupe is perfect for me, and I want to preserve it, if you will. I don't want to run it in the ground. I'll still drive it. I just don't want to be totally reliant upon it, where I'm just driving it all the time, every day. You know what I mean? I want to be able to drive this car when I get ready to. And I feel like I'm driving it too much. I know that might sound crazy to some, but you know, I'm just giving you my journey. I feel like I'm driving this car too much. That scares me. I don't like that. I don't want to run it in the ground. I'm trying to preserve it because this car is amazing to me. I love it. It's exactly what I wanted when I got it. So the C300 at the dealership this morning is exactly what I want. It's slightly pre-loved, but it's just what I want. Like, I mean, words can't explain. It's the color I want. It's the premium package that I want. It has the nice burl wood, glossy wood grain. It has the panoramic sunroof, 2 sunroofs, one in the front and one in the back. The top of the car is all glass, black tinted glass. The color of the leather is just what I want. It's like this macchiato, cappuccino, buttery beige color, okay? It has the LED lighting, okay? And if you know anything about Burmeister, you'll know that it has that stereo system that's made specifically for Benzes and Rolls Royces and whatever else they put that Burmeister in. So it has everything that I want. It's fully loaded. It's what I want. So I'm going down here today to check it out and possibly come home with it. So yeah, that's what I got going on this morning. And I'll do a little vlogging once I get there. I'll try to, because I'm gonna test drive the car. Hopefully I won't even be in here long. You know, sometimes when you get a car, it takes a while. But I think we're gonna kind of like expedite everything today. And that's really about it for now. I'll do a walk around and show you what the car looks like on the outside, the inside, yada yada. So let me put this camera down. Let me get my thoughts together, and I'll see you when I get to the lot. Okay? So I'm out here, and I just met Ali, the sales guy, alright? Super cute, super fun. Because I told him I wanted to vlog the moment. I'm so nervous. Oh my God. Okay, I see it. I see it. Girl. I see it. Oh my God. We're here. Look at this Lexus. Look at this. Look. Right? Okay, so this is my car right here. This is it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that. This is the one that I had reserved initially. This is the one I was going to get. But it doesn't have that full-on package. Okay, so this is the one I was going to get, right? I had this one sent out. This one doesn't have LED lights, as you can see right there. These are halogen lights. This one has LED. You see the difference? Look at it real good. huge difference with me, and that was the deal breaker. Oh my God. Girl, this is the diamond white. This is the diamond white, right? This is it. So this is the interior. He gave me the key, but I don't know what I did with it. No, he gave me a key, child. Are you looking at that? Look at this. It's so cute. Oh my God, look at the interior. Oof, girl. Oh my God, this is so nice. Ooh, let me put on my readers. Push to start. This is so nice. This is fire. Girl, let's turn on some AC. I have my readers on because I'm familiarizing myself with the vehicle. It's exactly what I want. It's a ton of these vehicles out here. You see these BMWs? Look at all these Beamers. Look, just Beamers, 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 Beamers. I guess that row is for Beamers. This row is for Benzes. Let's open this sunroof because this is what I like. Okay, so you see this part right here and that back there. Let's see. Let's open it up. Do you see that? You see that panel action? I feel so good when I'm near you. That's why I always wanna be close to you. Y'all remember that? I'm so addicted to making love to you, baby. Oh, man, oh, baby. Oh, man, oh. Somebody rocking the boots, baby. Somebody rocking the boots all night long. Making love till we're tired to the break of dawn. Oh, come on, baby. Hey, let me get on it, baby. 'Cause when I do to me, it'll be so right, so right, so right. Some sweet love, somebody rocking the boots into you. I gotta get my angles right in this vehicle. I'm about to get on the freeway and go to the crib. But as far as everything is concerned, I'm enjoying my new car. I honestly am. I don't know how to operate things in this car. This car is super advanced. I'm gonna learn though. I need to connect my phone to the car, to the interface of the vehicle. I tried it yesterday and I think I was doing something wrong. Something with the pass key codes. So I'm gonna give it a shot again. and hopefully I can get it to connect, because I don't listen to the radio. I'm not a radio listener. I like to stream my playlist, you know. So whatever mood I'm in, I can stream my music accordingly. So next month, oh, speaking of next month is May, right? Okay, so I got a text from my essay coach today. She said, Tanya, we're having a Mother's Day event. She said, I know you've been to one or two previously. She said, but I want to invite you to the Mother's Day event. I think it's on May 8th or something like that. I'm not sure. And she was like, let me know if you want me to sign you up. I said, girl, that's a no-brainer. You already know that I want you to sign me up. She signed me up for another event, or a different event that was last month. I don't know what that event was called. I don't remember, but she signed me up for that one. I wasn't able to make it. Okay, so she hit me up out the clear blue and asked me if I wanted to get signed up for Mother's Day. I said hell to the yes, because I need some SLGs and some charms and stuff. You know, something that's, I just need some SLGs and small things. I don't need a big bag. But I do want to go to the event because I've been there before. And I want to vlog it with this camera. So I can put it in the vlog. But yeah, she said the event is, I think, May 8th. I got to check my calendar, but yeah. So that's about it. And I'm trying to get my mom to agree to go out for seafood. My sister texted me about that. She was like, we need to get together for mama again and take her out. I said, I'm down. You know, I want to do seafood this time, or Mexican food, but preferably seafood. So we're gonna try to get my mom out the house. Try to get my mom out the house for Mother's Day. Okay, so I'm getting on the freeway, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Bye. Okay, and the Lexani on my car doesn't say Lexani outside on this lip right here. So this is cute. Yeah, these are very nice.
Mm-hmm. They're very beautiful.
Mm-hmm. And black and shiny.
Mm-hmm. And it has that like nice little hit of gray on it because of the Lexani and like the brand on the name on the side right there.
Yeah, and that's what I don't have. Mm-hmm. Currently on the ones that I have on the car now, they don't have that. Mm-hmm. So this is a new release, maybe? taking all of this off. All of this is coming off. And we're putting on, we're going to put on some new stuff, okay? Stay tuned for the key ring glow up. This is for my E350 Coupe, my C300, and my ML320 SUV. Okay, so now I'm gonna put all of this together some kind of way and make it look really nice. My intent is to tuck these keys into this and then have these keys hanging from here. So let's put this together to see how this turns out. Okay, so this is how it all turned out. Again, E350 Coupe, C300, and my ML320, my old school SUV. And then also my door keys, additional keys, house keys, they're inside this pouch. And let me show you how that turned out. There you go. So all my keys to my front door, garage door, everything is in here. And if I choose to put more keys on the key ring, I can just put them on the key ring and zip it up. And that's how it looks. It's open now, but I'll zip it. I love this concept. I didn't think it would turn out to be this nice. This is very nice. This helps me to eliminate so much stuff, you know. Of course, I added the Hello Kitty for flair because it's super cute with all the bling on it. But I love it. Let me close it up. I love this. Let me close this up. So again, this is the finished product. I got everything how I like it. All that extra stuff that was hanging off my key ring, it's off. I don't need it. This holds my keys. It conceals it and zips them up, so they don't come out and they don't hang out. But yeah, this is good. This is perfect. If you have a Benz and you want some key fobs, go to your Benz dealer, the parts department, and depending on what type of key you have, they have the key fob for you. You saw it earlier in the video. I never even saw these before, ever. So when I walked in to get those license plate borders, I was like, oh my God, this is what I really need. These work wonders, okay? Pink, white, tan. They have these for men too. So for men, for women. Look, girl. Okay? Yes. Okay, spin it again. I like that one. That one's cute. So because it's giving me the best of both, black and that brushed chrome. I like that, Julia. That's the one you sent to me. I didn't choose that one, you did.
I told you I had something somewhat similar to what you sent me because you had sent me a picture.
Like that, Julia, not bad. Remember I said not bad?
Because I do, so the picture that you had last sent me, the spokes were a lot more straighter, so this one does have a bit of a curve to it. So that's why I said it's kind of similar, not exact.
And it's given deep dish too, in a sense.
Yeah, like the illusion of it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I can call up that
that's cute.
That vendor, and I can see if they have one.
That's gonna look good with tint. I like this. I do. I like that a lot. I just need some tint now. But just imagine with tint, oh my God. Ooh, look at that. I like those in a 20. They look nice. This is the one I like. but they're discontinued and they don't have my bolt pattern or the size I like. These are 22s, but I need 20, and they're discontinued. But I really wanted this pair. These are fire. I like the deep dish. I like that. Very nice. Okay, so I had a little time on my hands to do some troubleshooting for rims. I like rims on my car. I don't know, I just like rims. Anyway, so I figured out what I want. It's in stock. Yay. Now, I'm either going to, I don't know if I'm going to come back here Saturday or like later on in the month, but they're in stock. So that's why I came down here. I said, I got some free time. Let me go down here and talk to Julia. All right, y'all saw what I chose. They're fire, they're desire. They look better than the all black. I need to get this tint first, and then I need to get my floor mats and then my rims, or either my rims and then my floor mats, but either or. Those are the 3 other things I need to do, and then after that I'm good. See y'all in a minute. I think this looks nice. Okay, let's try it.
This one.
Okay.
This.
Hello YouTube, hello lovelies. You're on the air with Vanity is Fair, 1 numero uno, #1 style. Okay, so I finally decided on which license plate borders I wanted to get. I was totally indecisive, back and forth to Arcadia, back and forth to Ontario. So this is what I got. Hella. Okay, I got this. This is blinged out all the way across the board. Black diamond crystal look. Okay, Swarovski crystal look as well. Okay, so I got this for my front. This is actually black and brushed chrome, and I'll show you what it looks like. Hold on a second. So this is what it's gonna look like when it's on the front. With that, this, and that. Anyway, it's nice. I like it. That part is over with. So now after that, I'm just going to put these on because I did get my plates in the mail. Got my plates in the mail, right? I'll be wearing my Gucci Sunnies today. I'm so comfy casual. I have on leggings, camisole, and this is a Calvin Klein button down, striped. This is what I'm rocking. I have on my Chinese bang unit in jet black. So I got on my Tory Burch belt. Can you see that? And then my Tory Burch Bennington flat sandals in navy blue. So this is what I'm rocking today. Yeah. All right, let's go. I already have my Starbucks cup in here from yesterday. Forgot about it. this one in the back. Right there. This one right here. I got a little bit of left off. No, I got a little bit of leftover coffee in this one. And these are my cute little charms that I put together. This is a Coach pouch, change pouch, whatever. Coach bag girls. Coach on the back. This is my Betsy Johnson strawberry necklace. I just chose to put it in the car because this is a little heavy. That's awesome, Betsy Johnson. Alright, so let's get this course started up. It's hot AF right now, so I'm about to turn on my AC. Alright, the AC's already on. It was hot yesterday too. I feel like it's dark. I left my charger to this camera. I need to get another one anyway, so I'll probably go to Target or Best Buy and get one today. How y'all doing today? Happy Mother's Day to you all. Alright, I am in a change of plans today at the last damn minute. Okay, I was supposed to be meeting up with my mom and my sister. Now my plans have changed, and instead of going to Nordstrom tomorrow after work, I'm gonna go now, and then I'll meet up with my boo and his family later on this evening. So no monkey stopping the show here. I am upset with them though, to a degree. I'm not gonna lie, because all of this could have been rectified yesterday anyway, and that's that. And I'm about to get on the freeway and exchange this Kurt Geiger stuff. I have a Kurt Geiger XXL Kensington in this bag, and I have some Kurt Geiger Chelsea ballerina flats. Those ballerina flats run hella small, and I knew that going forward. My J's are 10s, my other flats are 10s, like in MK and Tory Burch. My other flats, they're 10s. Everything is 10. I don't know what it is with Kurt Geiger. His shoes run hella small, like crazy. I'm like, what the hell? So I'm just taking all of it back today. And I paid $200 for the flats, $400 for the bag. That's $600. Give me my bread. The mall is open until 7. I was gonna do this after work tomorrow. I was gonna go there after work tomorrow, you know, hop on the freeway and go to Orange County and return the stuff. But when I got the call/text today, so anyway, I'll see y'all in a minute. I'm about to hop on the freeway and run over to Brea Mall and exchange this stuff, and then get with my other family later on. I doubt that I'll be vlogging there. Y'all know how private I like to be. I don't like people all in my shit, because it's enough haters on YouTube as it is. And all I need is for somebody to start hating on people they don't even know. You know what I mean? So I just leave that off the air. But you're on the air with Vanity is Fair, but all that I'll leave off the air. So I'll see y'all later. So I'm just getting off the freeway, and this is what it's looking like out here right now. This is what we got going on. Okay, I am minutes away. feature this in a haul. I have the tan rust collection coming up. Everything is tan rust, and I needed these sneakers to complete the look. So yeah. Okay, I'm just getting my car back today. Yeah, I got off early so I could take care of all this stuff. I need to get it washed because it's been sitting underneath trees. And I gotta come back up here and get my coupe. Okay, so the guy that sold me the coupe, he still works here, but in the service department. And I had to get some things done to this C300. And he was... he was taking care of my account. And he remembered me. He remembered the car. We had a good old laugh. He is so cool. His name is Paul. He's cool as hell. I wanted him to sell me this car, but he wasn't in sales anymore. He's in service now, so that was a nice little reunion between me and him. He remembered me though. And on top of that, I forgot, he filled up my tank. So I'm on F, okay? Look. All the way on F, baby. I just left the car wash and stuff. Hold up. And I'm getting crumbs in my car. Just left the car wash. Hold up. Y'all have seen this bag before. Okay, so this is the Kurt Geiger Kensington Drench that I love. The color is pewter, like a platinum silver metallic gray. I've done videos on this, what's in my bag. I've done hauls on it, or a haul on it rather. And this is the one that I like. The black one that I just talked about in my haul, the black on black monochromatic, I didn't really care for that one. Like, honestly, I didn't. But this one I love. Okay, so I'm rocking this one today. And I just came from the parts department in the dealership, and I got some goodies. So let me share with you what I have. Rocking my Gucci too. So I got these tire valves for this car that I'm in now. The ones that I wanted, I think they're out of stock. I don't even know if they carry them anymore. So I just said, forget it. Let me get these. So these are black and I guess gray. Okay. And this is so cute. How cute is this? This is a bubblegum raspberry air freshener. Okay, it is just way too cute. But pink is the color, so I got pink. And then lastly, I got this little cute souvenir. Are you looking at this? This is an old school steering wheel. My 300 CE from back in the day had a steering wheel just like this. So this is the old school style. I had to have it, and I'm gonna hang it here. Okay, so yeah, those are the things that I got from Mercedes-Benz of Ontario, and I'm gonna leave Caesar a message, or a message. What? Here it is. The sales associate, Caesar, he asked me to leave him a good word on Yelp. So I'll do that later on tonight when I get home. And I'm definitely going to do it. Because of this, I got the cute little key ring for free. All right. So, yeah, I'm winning right now. I'm about to go to Target, get the rest of my stuff. And I'm gonna have David bring me something to eat later. Look, I got this for free. Today is the day for tint. I'll show you after shots. I'm the first customer. Oh my God, I was like, yeah. Worked out just fine. So I should be here maybe for 2 hours, I don't know. I just want some tint, and I want it light. I don't want dark tint. I want a nice, rich, light dark tint, if that makes sense. Okay, so it's done. It's perfect. It is perfect. It's the perfect color. It matches the top perfectly. See that? Let's look at the other side. Look at that.